your barrel cover off your gun. You guys move. Make sure you take your barrel cover off your gun. I'll let you back to shoot anybody.
I'm ricocheting and hitting myself. Hit. Keep going. Keep going that way. Dead man coming through, guys. Dead man coming through. 1, 6, 7, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Hey! What the fuck, mate?
What? I can shoot you.
Ow.
Get up. Shit. Dead man. Hit. Good shot. I was about to just make sure you take your armband off.
That's why I was yelling up there. Did I get you?
Oh, finger shots are not fun.
I'm wondering why you guys weren't moving. I'm like,
I just prefer guys went that way.
yeah, I know. They're not moving.
One guy got pissed at me because I shot him from like a foot away. I kept shooting the wall to pin him down. I walked back. I was like, pop. He's like, what the fuck, man? So if I can do it. I think I got him. I mean, I know I did. 1, 2, 4.
How you doing, man?
Hey.
Back here.
No blind firing.
You shoot one of our guys? Oh man, I would have got him if I wasn't out of ammo. Hit. I wasn't blind firing. Don't call me out on blind fire when I have my gun up to my shoulder and can shoot you. I'm gonna keep going that way. The guys seem like assholes, so I'm gonna keep going over there.
Christian, there's 2 in center. I
20.
got shot in the hand. This for camping.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you.
There's guys in this building. Can't shoot through that crack. Is he allowed to shoot through the hole in the wall? There's a hole about that big in the wall. Is he allowed to? Ref, there's a hole that big in the wall. Is he allowed to shoot through it?
No, you cannot shoot through the hole.
Because he's doing it. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I was like...
Wait, he got me. I'll just call it.
It's in that wall right there. By the doorway. To the right of the doorway. Okay. Oh, there's so many people that way. It's right here. The hole's right there. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. Oh, good thing I did not fire. Hit. You shot a dead man.
It's like this.
We're outnumbered is what it is.
What, us? Yeah. Guys, push in.
They're right outside of our room.
We should all push this one. Everybody can start.
Hit. They are all in that room.
Yeah. At least I got the guy with the red mask.
Did you? Okay.
Dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man.
Really? Are you serious? I hit you in the arm, dude. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry about that, dude.
That's cool.
Eight, 9. It's 10 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hit? Okay. Dead man. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I hate clubs.
9.
Like when I go, like, there's like 8 people with me, I go in, I'm like the only one there.
What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
One person down the line.
Hit.
Dang, man.
There's a guy around the other corner.
Put me on the leg.
Okay. Just wind your mag, wind your mag, wind your mag, wind your mag.
You're running!
Hit. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! I can count to 10.